To connect DSers AliExpress on Shopify, start by installing the DSers app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, click on the Add App button and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, click on the DSers app icon in your Shopify admin panel to open the app. You will be prompted to authorize the app. Click on the Install button to proceed. Next, you will be redirected to the DSers dashboard where you need to connect your AliExpress account. Click on the Connect AliExpress button and enter your AliExpress login credentials to authorize DSers to access your AliExpress account. Once your AliExpress account is connected, you can start importing products from AliExpress to your Shopify store using DSers. To do this, click on the Import Products button and search for the products you want to import. You can filter products by category, price, and shipping options to find the best products for your store. Once you have selected the products you want to import, click on the Import button to add them to your Shopify store. DSers also allows you to automate order fulfillment and shipping. To set up automated order fulfillment, go to the Settings page in the DSers app and click on the Order Settings tab. Here you can set up payment and shipping options, as well as configure other order fulfillment settings. With DSers, you can easily connect your AliExpress account to your Shopify store and start selling products without having to worry about order fulfillment and shipping. By following these steps, you can easily connect DSers AliExpress on Shopify and start growing your online business. Remember to always monitor your store and orders to ensure everything is running smoothly.